Well, boys, it's a beautiful day here in North Carolina. Gotta get off my ass and get this truck over here, get everything washed up. Everything came pretty well clean. It's not going to be spotless, but then again, I'm not putting in a brand new engine, so I just wanted to get the majority of the crud off, get it degreased, and good enough to maybe throw some paint on after we get the motor assembled. Got the engine bay all washed up, cleaned up. Now you can at least see the differential's aluminum. The inside of the bell housing cleaned out, the frame rail cleaned out, cleaned all that. We're gonna have to get a new battery tray because this one here is just about left the chat. Cleaned the firewall. We lost some paint there where the wires are. Been rubbing all these years, but I don't know, maybe I'll move them out of the way and spray a little white paint on there. I'd hate for that shit to rust. So that's it. I get back from work next week. We're gonna start assembling that motor and put it in. 3 weeks from now, this thing will be driving. So that's it for now. I'm gonna clean up my mess. Take it easy for the rest of the evening.